Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. In this video I am going to show you about the nano coating machine. Okay, how does it work, how we can use this machine to put the nano coating on the phone. Okay, so in my previous video I have shown you that the unboxing of this box, but today I will show you how can we use this machine to put the nano coating for the phone. Then we will test the water test also. Okay, I will put this phone in the water. So alright, so I have three phones. So this phone, actually we will replace the this glass only, okay, the Gorilla or the screen protective glass. Okay, so we don't do the whole phone, we don't put in the machine for waterproof, because this phone already very old. Okay, so you can see the display has some gap. Okay, so for this phone I recommend just to put the coating on the display only, so the display will be very hard. And this phone is good, so we can we can put the nano coating for this phone and this phone. Okay, so here certain thing you need to remember, that for those phones which if they have done any repairing work on the motherboard, or if there is some damage or broken on the glass, so we don't recommend them to do fully waterproof the phone. Okay, so for those kind of phone or the very old phone, we recommend to put the screen guard only. Okay, so this is the thing. And okay guys, this is the liquid. Okay, this is the nano liquid. Actually I didn't keep properly. This is the essential part of this job. Then this is just a normal phone cleaner, and this syringe I am using to measure the liquid. Okay, so okay, so the first thing we need to do, we need to remove the existing display protector or any Gorilla glass. Okay, so like this glass. Okay, so so a lot of people are asking why we should change the Gorilla glass to this nano coating. Okay, so the main advantage is, you can see here there are a lot of dirty accumulate beside the Gorilla glass or the display protector. Okay, so all the edges you can see the dirty. Okay, that means all the bacteria or all the germ will accumulate here, and it might potential to your health. Okay, so another phone, this phone also, another issue is I don't know you can see or not, but you see the Gorilla glass is not properly fit to the display. Okay, it's slightly smaller than the display. Okay, can you see it? Okay, this side are some space left, and here also some space left. Okay, this side is properly matching, but the height and the width are not same. Okay, so this case you won't able to use or touch to this blank area, correct? This area also, so you can't able to use your mobile phone screen fully. Okay, so in this case, if we replace the Gorilla glass with the nano liquid, then you can able to use full screen, and also it's very clean and very strong. It has same 9H strength. Okay, so all the Gorilla glass come with the 9H hardness, so same the nano liquid provide. And you won't see the fingerprint. You can see this display how many fingerprints, and it looks so ugly, right? So once we replace it with the nano liquid, you can't see the fingerprints, and it's very strong, so it's easy to clean. Also there is another thing, that our this Gorilla display or the phone display, for our eyes it looks very plain, right? But if you put this thing under the very powerful microscope, you can see that the display is not even. Okay, it's uneven. Okay, so in those pits the bacteria they hide there. Okay, even though we use any display cleaner or any glass cleaner, so still the bacteria are able to hide there, so which is very unhygienic. Okay, so that is another benefit that you once you put the nano coating, the pits all will be full with the nano liquid. Then there is no place the bacteria or the germ to hide there. Okay, also it will make our phone 100% waterproof. Okay, so these are the advantages. That's why we recommend people to do the nano coating. Okay, so nowadays all the people are very smart. They understand why they required it. So a lot of people they doing nano coating to their phone. Okay, so without any delay, I will show you one by one. Okay, first I am going to do the display. Okay, for the display only this phone. So we need to remove the existing Gorilla Glass. So I use this type of plastic thing to spray out the existing Gorilla Glass. Okay. Okay, once we remove, these are the glues. We should clean this properly. Okay, then I will use the liquid to clean. So the cleanliness is very important. You have to properly clean it. Okay, take some time and clean it properly. Alright, so I have taken the liquid here, so I will just put 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this much enough. Then you have to spread it quickly. Okay, otherwise it will dry and it will become hard. Alright, so you need to mix like this. So you can see the surface is not clean. So now you need to use the cleaner to clean it again. Okay, so I will use the previously used wipes. Then I need to clean it now. Then only the surface will be smooth and it will look nicer. Okay, so the nano liquid you should not take or should not apply more quantity. Okay, just I think less than 1 ml is enough. Okay guys, so you need to check everywhere, make sure all the I don't know what to call that, but you can see some roughness on the screen. Okay, so you have to clean it properly. So those two things will be cleaned up, then the phone will look nicer. Alright, so now it's already done. So we just put it in the baking chamber to make it more efficient and more stronger. I will just put in the baking chamber to curing it properly. Okay. Alright, so I will keep for 5 minutes here. So for this application, means for the display only 5 minutes is more than enough. So after that I will take it out, then I will test it. We will check the strongness and display. Okay, so how hard it will be, we will check that. Okay, so now let's say we do this phone. So same way, I need to remove all the thing. Okay, to do the phone fully waterproof, we need to clean every part. Okay, every part properly. Also, same time we need to take out the SIM card. Okay, so let me take out the SIM tray. Also, I will switch off the phone. Okay, so this speaker area. Okay, the microphone area and these pins all we need to. Okay, the charging pin and loudspeaker and earphone jack. Okay, this area all we need to clean properly. So I use the brush to clean it properly. Okay guys, so this machine is not too expensive. Anybody can afford it, and nowadays it's trending in the phone repairing market. So you can use this machine to make some extra bucks. We must need to clean all the dirt. Okay, these are all the stagnant dirt. It's not coming out easily. Okay. Also, we have the air to clean. Okay. Okay, now we will put in this coating chamber. Here, okay, there is a hole here where it will suck the air. Okay, so it will create a vacuum here. This area it will make a vacuum. Then through this tube it will suck the air through the phone. Means it will suck here the phone. So when the air will suck here, all the coating will be go inside, and it will fully make our phone waterproof. So make sure you place it center in this way. Alright, so this phone means the space is not enough. So what I do, I just keep like this. Okay, I can keep this way also. I just touch the charging pin to the pipe there. Then now we will put the liquid in this chamber. So it said 1.5 ml we should add. So I will take exactly 1.5 ml. Then now we will put the liquid here. Okay, then I need to close this. Okay, so now we will switch on the coating function. Okay, so here is the coating function. So after I switch on, I have to observe whether it creates a vacuum or not. See, it's creating the vacuum. So now it's 11:05. So 11:10 we can remove it out. So 5 minutes we have to place this chamber. Okay, I'm going to pause this video. Okay guys, so you can see now 11:10. Okay, anyway, after 5 minutes it automatically stopped. Okay, so now we need to take it out, and then we need to put in the curing chamber. Okay, so here So here we will put for 10 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, so let it cure properly. Okay, so this one previously I put just for the display only, right? So I have already take it out from the curing chamber. So now it's already done. Okay, so now we will check the strengthness or the strongness of the coating. Okay, guys, so I'm now taking this paper and I'm cutting on the screen, okay, on the phone display. See, there is no any marks here. Okay, no any cutting marks in it. Even though I scratch this way. Okay, so after I just wipe it out, there is no more scratch marks. Okay, when you do yourself, you can see it. Okay, so there is no scratch marks at all. Also, I am using the bigger knife. Okay, see. Okay, just wipe it out. And then no more scratch mark anymore. Okay, even you touch also is very smooth. It's very clean. Okay, also we do the I use the hammer to knock it. Okay, so you can see the screen is on, so I will knock it. Okay, see the screen is very sensitive and it's still good. Okay, you can see it. Okay, it's so strong. So now you can use the full screen, right? If let's say you want to playing any game or do any browsing, it's easier, right? Okay, you can see it. The screen is okay now. So that's the hardness testing of this phone. So okay, so another 3 minutes, then I will take this phone out, then we will do the water testing. Okay, I think now the baking time is out, so we will take it out now. See, when it's time up, the you can see the solidify. There is two button for means actually here is two chamber. Okay, you can put two phone together, so there is two switch. So when the time is up, it will automatic off. Okay, so your phone won't get overheat. Okay, so it's perfectly done. Okay, everywhere it you can feel the heat. Okay, so now we can put the SIM tray, then we can switch on the phone. Okay, so now we are going to do the water test. Let me do here better. Okay, so this machine also can connect with Bluetooth. So let's say you want to for marketing purpose, you want to play any recordings, so you can play. Okay, or you can play on your phone, so people can hear the sound. And I mean, just for marketing purpose, or you want to play any song, anything, you just switch on your Bluetooth, then you can connect to this machine. Alright, okay, now we will do the water testing. Okay,
This YouTube channel is easily one of the smartest decisions I ever made. It changed my life, changed my career,
Okay,
and
guys.
allowed me to become
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
pro. So today,
Okay, you can see the video is playing. Okay, now let me take out. Okay, there is no fake, huh? You don't think I'm doing any fake? Okay, just take it out. See, the phone is fine. Then you can see the screen. There is not even one drop of water is sticking on the screen. Okay, all water has been off from the screen, right? So you can see. Okay. 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 Let me keep playing the video. Let's see is there any problem we will find or not. Okay. So if any normal phone drop in the water, what would happen? Within few minutes you can see the result, right? The water enter into your motherboard, then it will damage your phone. So normally the water can damage your screens. Okay, if the water go inside the display, then you can see the lines or some kind of water damage issues you can find here. Also your phone can start to blinking or it will suddenly switch off. But this phone, you see, just me. Okay, see, there are a lot of waters come out. Okay, so our testing is okay. So I'm so happy to see the result. Actually, this is first time I'm doing, so I have applied to my own phone. So if there is any damage, so I can repair back my phone. So I tested my phone, it working fine. So just to dry up the phone again, we need to remove the SIM card or the SIM tray, then we can I can use the air, okay, to blow all the water. So you need to clean for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, you can see the water. So if you test your customer phone, you must dry it properly before you hand over to them.